This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Principles, Unit 5, Building Apps, Lesson 17, Building an App, Canvas Painter, Puzzle 11. Delete button. Good. Okay, this makes sense. We're finally going to use those buttons. Hallelujah! Each one will trigger an event handler that processes the array event list. Yeah, that array we just made, right, in the last one of all the events that occur in the in our program, and every event that occurs is triggered by us every time we move the mouse where it draws a circle. So you want to provide your user with a way to start over with their drawing. In order to do this, you will need to both clear the canvas and delete all items from event list. The easiest way to delete everything from the event list is simply set the value of event list to be a new empty list. Yes, so we're just going to reassign it to nothing. Do this. In design mode, set the styling and text of one button to indicate its delete, or start over button. Give your button a descriptive ID. Add a click event handler to your button. Within the event handler, call clear canvas. Okay, one thing at a time. I'm going to do this button, and what color? They kind of have a red there. Let's try. Sure, that makes sense for delete. And then I want it to be start over. Now I'm going to call it delete. Oops, this is the ID. So I'm going to call mine delete button, I guess. And then down here I'm going to call it, delete. Okay, so now I have my button. Is theirs kind of pinkish? Didn't say I have to make it like theirs, but you know. Maybe that, I don't know. Add event handler to your button. Within the event handler, call clear canvas. Okay, so I need an event handler. Boop. And what I did there, if you missed it, design, you can always just go to events and click insert and show code. And what it does is it creates an event handler for that thing. So within the event handler, call clear canvas, clear canvas. And set event list. Okay, so now this is our variable. Remember, we made this array, and it's universal, so we can access it within every function. Event list to an empty array, which is those 2 square brackets. Test to make sure. Cool. I'm making something very pretty. I'm lying. All right, and delete. Woohoo! And it works. Awesome. Let's keep going. I guess the tricky part, well, it wasn't too bad. We need this, clear the canvas, and set that array. All right, moving on.